Hello everyone, this is just an ad. Bissell just released a brand new SpinWave Plus vac. I'm just comparing it to the Tineco. They operate a little bit different, but the SpinWave did clean our entire kitchen pretty good. Look for this video coming soon. So the Tineco, you're going to put the solution here and water. This is where it's going to suck up the wet debris. And down here is where the roller is. On the Bissell, here's where you put the solution, right here in this. This is for dry debris only. This is where it's going to suck up all the dry debris. And we've got a power switch, suction, and mopping. So when you're done with the Bissell, you can simply pull these off, put these in the laundry. Over here, we're going to do a self-cleaning cycle on the Tineco. Okay, so I've already emptied out the milk in here, but let's do the self-cleaning cycle. You're simply going to press the power button. It's going to go into a self-cleaning cycle. It's going to spray solution on the roller, and then it's going to suck it up into here to kind of clean that whole area.